In this video, I'll walk you through how to use a voice changer in Discord so you can modify your voice with different effects and filters. First, open your web browser and search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Press enter and click on the official Clownfish website. Once you're there, go to the download section and select the 64-bit version. After the file downloads, open it from your downloads folder and follow the installation steps. Just click next a few times, then install, and finally, finish. After installing, open the Start menu, search for Clownfish, and launch the app. You'll find it running in your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it, go to Setup, and choose System Integration. Here, make sure Clownfish is installed on the correct microphone. If it's not, remove it and install it again on the right one. Next, right-click the Clownfish icon in the system tray and select Set Voice Changer. This is where you can choose from different voice effects and filters. Now, open Discord and go to User Settings in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to Voice and Video, then check your input device. Make sure it matches the same microphone you selected in Clownfish. Once everything is set up, go back to Clownfish and pick a voice effect, like a male pitch or any other filter. Start speaking in Discord and your voice will automatically be changed. If you want to turn it off, just click Clear Effect in Clownfish. That's it for this video. If this helped you out, feel free to leave a like and consider subscribing for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.